Promoting for Firework today. Make sure you guys go download Firework. They have an amazing challenge going on. Winners will win $5,000. Hey girl, hey, welcome back to my channel. It's early in the morning. I'm pretty sick. And we are here. You vlog?
I've done a little bit, but I just do a lot of films too. Are you cool to go to the Waffle House?
Yeah.
Hang out there.
Yeah, I have to use the restroom.
Maybe meet that other guy there.
Okay. Hey girl, hey. Welcome back to my channel. Hunter, say hi.
Hi.
Firework.
Firework today. And it's so busy.
It is so busy. So yeah.
Did you play like somewhere?
We have to ask. Oh, she got it. Excuse me. Where's Chick-fil-A? Where's Chick-fil-A?
Okay, so we're gonna go on the flight, the next flight.
All right, we're looking for Chick-fil-A.
Walk up the street, you can ask. There's a whole bunch of kids there, and they'll tell you exactly where to go because it's inside the building.
Oh, so the student center. Just walk towards the center. Okay.
Yes. This all student center.
Awesome, thank you.
You're welcome.
So we're at Georgia State, brand ambassadors for the Firework app. Make sure you guys go download the Firework app. I've been working with this company for about. Oh, Hunter, guess where I met the Firework app? I met them in LA. I met them in LA.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, I met the actual, I don't remember who I met, but that's how I started working with them. I met them in LA at VidCon.
Oh, I wanted to go to VidCon.
So yeah, you should really go to VidCon because you'll meet like the people really over the app. So
they invited us and like they were gonna have a whole like breakfast for us and everything.
yes, you should really go. It's amazing.
Yeah, I've wanted.
I think I missed the breakfast. Yeah, we were supposed to go to the breakfast.
So busy these past 2 years. Like every time that VidCon has been happening,
You gotta go. It is amazing. I'm telling you, it's the experience. You gotta go for the experience. I absolutely love VidCon. It was fun. There's so many different things to do there. You meet so many people, so many companies. I met the company that I signed to in LA. I met them.
Really?
Yeah.
The first thing they asked, how many followers you have? They're like, okay, now
Well, she already knew, but yep. That's like the main thing. You gotta have a lot of followers. So we don't know how this day is gonna go, but we're going to just wing
Now
it.
we're trying the Chick-fil-A.
Yeah, we're going to Chick-fil-A. It's by the student center, wherever that is. We don't go here, but we look like we go here, but we don't. And I'm sick, by the way, so I don't know how I got sick, but yeah, I will see you guys soon.
Play around the whole day.
Come on, get some ice cream, y'all. We got
Look,
some.
this is the whole line. This is what
It's not that long.
we got.
that long.
We gotta.
You got
We
some
gotta start
time.
working soon.
Yeah, we gotta start working soon. We got some time. So they got Monster, lemonade, coffee plus energy. Oh, it's a coffee vanilla cream. Oh, y'all, it's a new vanilla cream energy drink. Okay, they trying to take over Starbucks. Then over here we got the Brewsters. He's getting some Brewsters. It's too early for me to be eating ice cream. Hey guys, I look sick. We don't even know what we're doing.
It's like, what's it? So far on Firework. Yeah.
This is my outfit.
I got on it like probably a month ago too.
So, we're just gonna tell people about the app. Promoting for Firework today. Make sure you guys go download Firework. They have an amazing challenge going on. Winners will win $5,000. 5 winners picked. You guys can lip sync, share your talent on the app Firework. It's best to use it now because you can instantly gain many followers because it's not too congested. And I always recommend people to use new apps. I already got 2K on there, and I get a lot of likes as well. So I also won a challenge before, and I won some moolah. So you guys, I influence you guys to use it and win some moolah as well. So let's see how this journey goes. And this campus is so big, but we'll talk to you guys later. Hey guys, so we're about to get started with promoting with the Firework app. I made some promotional videos on Instagram, and he did look like he don't know what he doing. Look, what is he doing? He wants to be it's blurry. Why is my camera blurry? Anyways, I need to go to the bathroom and blow my nose. Cause my nose is running. But we're going to show you guys the amazing truck. It's a huge truck that we have for the Firework app. Again, we are promoting and we're brand ambassadors for the Firework app. So make sure you guys go download the Firework app.